How to delete all duplicate photos on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete all your duplicate photos on your iPhone, all you have to do is you don't have to download any third-party tool. If you have a duplicate photo on your iPhone, right on your iPhone's Photos application itself, and then you would like to just go ahead and then basically remove those duplicates, you want to make sure to just tap on the albums icon from the bottom right of the screen, then scroll down to the utilities section. Under utilities, one of the options you'll find here is known as duplicates. So tap on duplicates, tap the select option here, and then just make sure to go ahead and then select all in this case, and then just tap the trash icon in order to merge them. You can either choose to delete them, or you can select the merge option here to merge exact 88 copies only, or to merge 188 items. So once done, you should be able to merge all of them and then delete those duplicates. This way you can delete all duplicate photos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.